Let's check out if we can switch lenses while recording a video on OPPO Reno 15. So in order to check that, all we're gonna do is we're gonna use a resolution and the frame rate that allows us to use, for example, different lenses. Like for example, over here we have this 0.6x, which is the ultra wide angle, and let's start recording a video. And in this case, if I try to zoom out, as you can see, yes, it is possible to switch lenses, but of course this option might be limited only to certain resolutions and different frame rates. Even if I use like bigger zoom, let's say if I zoom in all the way to 10x, as you can see there is like a clear shift as well because the image suddenly changes. So yes, it is possible to switch lenses like that. We can even switch to the front camera when using the 1080p 30 frames per second, but I assume if we switch to 60, well, we can still switch to the front camera if we want to. But the ultra-wide angle is no longer possible, and if we try to zoom all the way in using 10x, yes, it is still possible. So yes, in general, it is possible to switch lenses while recording a video. However, some options might be limited due to the frame rate limitations or something like that. And let's also see the 4K resolution as well, just out of the curiosity. 4K 60 frames per second. If we can switch lenses over here. Yes, the answer is also yes. And we can even switch to the front camera as well. So that's pretty great. So that's it. Leave a like and subscribe.